If you're looking for a great wireless headset, you're going to want to check this one out. It comes with a charging case. It's super lightweight. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like in a second. The charge time is about 2 to 5 hours. All you got to do here is you'll see right here, you're just going to put it over your ear. Super, super easy, really fits well. You're literally just take your phone out, you go to the Bluetooth settings and G7 will be there. Just hit G7, it'll automatically connect. It's super easy. What I like right here is this is going to be the volume up button right here, volume down right here. So it's just like super intuitive. If you are talking to someone, this is great for the phone, anything, if you drive long distances, or if you're on the phone all day and just don't want to hold your phone or use the headphones, this is absolutely great. So if you're looking for a great wireless headset that's super comfortable, lightweight, and has a rechargeable case, definitely check this out. And thanks to the brand for sending this over. So good to see you.